Hi guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we are out by Harborview. We're looking at the Harborview Plaza, and now today we are going to talk about the Harborview roundabout. That's a very nice view of the Kingston Harbour, and to the left is the Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Boulevard. That's the floating dry dock, Jam Dock 1, and that's the harbour. Now, as you know, a lot of development is going on in Jamaica. I think it's safe to say more development is going on in Jamaica now than at any time before. So this roundabout now, the Harborview roundabout, it's outgrowing its use. This road has gotten so busy that there's some talk about building an overpass here. This is the Harborview roundabout. Now look at the land on the roundabout. Recently they removed the Harborview the Air Jamaica sign from the roundabout leading to the airport, just up the Palisades Strip. And they want to put it in a museum, but if they were to put it here, it would be an ideal spot. Put it in this roundabout. But that's not what we're talking about today. That's just one option for the sign. We have videos up on the removal of the sign and the new locations they're looking at, so you can check it out. What we're going to talk about today is building an overpass out here. Now, this is a very busy intersection, so to speak. Straight ahead is the road you take to get to the airport, the Norman Manley International Airport. Straight ahead, that's the Palisades Strip. Now, that's the only road that can take you to the airport, the Palisades Strip. So if you're traveling, you have to come down here. Now, if you go left, that takes you to the Southern Coastal Highway, which is a road that has opened up St. Thomas and Portland. The amount of investment that's going on over there, it's unbelievable. And it's only the start. So you turn left at the roundabout, you go to St. Thomas. Now, straight ahead um where that black car just went, if okay, to the right is the Sir Florizel Glass Bowl Highway, and that is where you take that road to go into Kingston. And then the other intersection is taking you into Harborview, one of the largest communities in Jamaica. So this road is only going to get busier. And because of the entrance to the airport, people are saying, or there's some discussion about building an overpass out here. Now, that would be an excellent idea. Guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. So at times, okay, look at the left, the traffic coming from St. Thomas. And it's only going to increase because housing developments are being built in St. Thomas. I mean, that road that the government built, the Southern Coastal Highway, is what you call a game changer for St. Thomas. St. Thomas is actually going to get hotels. So this intersection here needs to be upgraded. Now there's a double overpass by 3 miles in Kingston. You have an overpass for Spanish Town Road and Hagley Park Road, and it works great. It was done by China Harbour Engineering Company, and you have to just say job well done to the government at the time who built it and the contractor China Harbour Engineering Company. So they need to build something like this out here. Now you could have a double overpass. The lower level takes you to St. Thomas, or the lower level takes you to the airport. That would be easier. And then the upper level takes you to St. Thomas. So you just go straight across if you're going to St. Thomas. If you're going to the airport, you take the lower overpass and head to the airport. And of all the locations in Jamaica to when you think about places that need an overpass, I think this is the most important one that's not connected to a highway. In Miami Bay, you definitely need an overpass because not an overpass, an interchange. But when you're talking about roads in Kingston or all of Jamaica, just a regular road now, it's out here because you can't have any issue with getting access to the airport. And the traffic going to and from St. Thomas is going to increase. And then when you think of the amount of people that are going into Harborview, this shopping plaza is one of the busiest in Jamaica and it's still expanding. It's still under construction, the Harborview neighborhood. So, guys, let us know what you think about building an overpass out here. That's a very nice view of the Kingston Harbour, and to the left is the Caribbean Sea. Very nice. Let us know what you think. So the ground level, you would still have, just like the one in 3 Miles, still have access to all the sections of the road. And if you're going to Harborview, you use a regular road. If you're going to the airport, you use a lower overpass, a smooth drive, no traffic. If you're going to St. Thomas, you use the upper overpass. Just the same model like the other overpass in 3 Miles. And China Harbour Engineering Company is still operating in Jamaica. They could build this overpass in no time. I don't think local contractors have reached that level yet to be able to build such an overpass. So we'd have to use China Harbour Engineering Company. Alright guys, let us know what you think. Leave your comments in the section below. Alright guys, have a good day.